Welcome students. In this video we are going to discuss a very interesting question from the chapter of heights and distances. The question is, a 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. So let us first of all sketch a diagram, then question will be more clear. Suppose 1.2 meter tall girl is standing here. Suppose AB is girl, and this girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground, and the angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. So suppose this is the height of the balloon, CD. Suppose this is position of balloon at any moment, and this is ground, correct? So this angle of elevation is here 60 degree. This angle of elevation of the balloon is 60 degree. This is height of the girl, 1.2 meter, and height of the balloon is 88.2 meter. So here this CD is 88.2 meter and height of the girl AB is 1.2 meter. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. So balloon is moving horizontally. So after some time, suppose balloon is here at any point E, suppose. So this is the height of the balloon here. Suppose EF is height of the balloon, and angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. Means this angle is 30 degree. Let us write G here. So this angle is 30 degree, correct? So we have to find out the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. So we have to find out this distance CE. We have to find out CE, and CE is nothing but DF. So we have to find out DF, correct? And CD is height of the balloon is 88.2 meter. So this is EF also. EF also. But height of the girl is here 1.2 meter. So EG will be how much? So therefore EG is equal to EF minus GF. So EF is 88.2 meter and this GF is 1.2 meter. So EG is equal to 88.2 minus 1.2, and this is equal to 87 EG. And similarly CH will be same. CH will be EG is equal to 87. So EG is here 87 and CH will be also same of EG, means 87. This is therefore CH is also equal to EG is equal to 87. So now let us try to find out CE, the distance between two positions of this balloon, or equal to DF. So first of all, let us take right angle triangle CAH. This is 90 degree. So in triangle CAH, solution. In triangle CAH, you can take tan of 60 degree. Tan of 60 degree is equal to perpendicular CH by base AH. And you know, tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to CH upon AH, and CH is 87 by AH. And therefore, AH is equal to 87 by root 3. You simplify it, and therefore AH is equal to 87 root 3 upon 3. Multiplying numerator and denominator by root 3. So this is equal to 29 root 3. AH is equal to 29 root 3. And therefore, you know, here correct. AH is 29 root 3. Now, in right angle triangle EAG, in triangle EAG, now you can take tan of 30 degree. Tan of 30 degree is here, perpendicular is EG upon base is HG. Base is AG. And EG is how much? EG is 87, and AG can be written as AH plus HG. AH plus HG. And you know, tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to 87 by AH is how much? 29 root 3. 29 root 3 and plus HG. Now we will simplify this part to get the value of HG, and this HG will be the answer because HG is equal to CE, which is the distance between two positions of the balloon. Correct? So try to simplify HG here. So by cross multiplication, you are getting 29 root 3 plus HG is equal to 87 root 3. And therefore, HG is equal to, we can transpose 29 root 3 to the right hand side, and root 3 will be common. So 87 minus 29 into root 3. And 87 minus 29 is equal to 58 root 3. So this is the required answer. HG, or you can say CE, is required answer, or you can evaluate this root 3 and multiply 58 into 1.732 meter. So this is the required answer. This is the distance between two positions of the moving balloon. This is the answer. You multiply it, will get the result. Okay, students, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you are understanding these solutions very well, and please subscribe my channel so that you could get other videos in time. Thank you very much for watching this video. Wish you all the best.